Hey y'all, so today I just got my book and my journal out here. I am entering a journey that I want to document, that I want to vlog. So here goes. Yo, some kids came with their dogs, so that's my cue to leave because I can't do dogs. It seemed friendly and they ain't bark at me or try to give me nothing, but I can't do dogs. So I'm headed back. Y'all, so put the bus out with it. I finally went ahead and applied for fast food places. So yep, I'm back in the fast food realm, but that's okay. Girl, it looked like I shouldn't be going to this damn bus stop. It's places around here, but baby, it looked like I shouldn't be standing right here by myself. Okay, y'all. Ooh, this will be a cute little walk. Okay, y'all, so I'm standing at the bus stop. I just got hired, so I'm about to go to Walmart and pick up the black slacks and the non-slip shoes. And he was like, what pay did we discuss? I was like, $12.50. He was like, oh, I'm gonna try to get you higher than that. So if he can even give me 13, like, that'd be cool. And I'm gonna be full-time, 40 hours a week. So yeah, it's time to get the bag because I got goals to accomplish. Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I got my little Trader Joe's bag and we out here at the bus stop. I am running some errands today. I'm getting out the house, so I thought I'd bring y'all with me because I ain't seen y'all in a minute. Yeah, I'm out here going to Dollar Tree over there, and I see some good places to take pictures at. Like all those, that building vacant, that one vacant, and the one behind it is vacant, and I see good picture opportunities. So I had to get me a tripod and start coming out, taking me some pictures for my Instagram. But yeah, I made it to Dollar Tree. So I got a 30-minute walk to the park, and I'll get back to y'all when I get there, because it's probably gonna be less than 30 minutes, but I got too much stuff. Okay, I forgot I wasn't gonna do a picnic because I think it's tables at this park. I've been to this park before, but I didn't bring nothing to sit on to do a picnic. So we'll see when I get there. Okay, y'all, so I have arrived with my Trader Joe's bag. And we have all the things in here. I grabbed some Cheerios because I wanted chips, but I didn't want chips. So I grabbed Cheerios. I grabbed me a Sierra Mist. Y'all, look what I found at the Dollar Tree. I had to get them. Some little Swedish fish and all-time favorite, this gonna be my lunch. I might end up going to Sonic, because Sonic is close by, but I ain't mad at it. It's my little spot, chilling. Of course, ain't no kids out here because it's school hours, so I'm just chilling. I'll talk to y'all in a second. Y'all, it's a lady over there skating, and I want to ask her where she get her skates from, because I've been looking for some for the longest. I even been wanting to ride here and skate, bitch. She ain't even riding. I'm finna go ask her. She a white lady too. Well, I don't know if y'all can see it all the way down there, but just rolled past me. So leaves me no choice but to walk, which I didn't want to do. But here we go. Y'all see that house? That house right there is marketed at $800,000. It's almost $1 million.